three most common questions on our social media. What are the bikes? How much are they? What's the top speed? This is a 110cc automatic. VMC's the brand. That's what my 4-year-old's riding. This is a GPO 160 4-speed. Ovale is the brand. That's what my 9-year-old's riding. I rode them today and did a top speed on both of them. Check out the videos. Top speeds weren't as high as I thought, but keep in mind I'm 85 kilograms, Tame's 20 kilograms, and Tanner's 30 kilograms. So they reach a much higher speed a lot quicker than what I do. They wouldn't even hit the limiter with me on them.